Good morning, children. This is class 9th physics, chapter number 8, motion. Today we are going to do some numericals based on distance and displacement, right? So children, let's start with numerical number 1. Okay, a farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of side 10 meters in 40 seconds. So children, a farmer, he is moving on his farm, which is in the shape of a square. So he's taking out his walking on it, and he takes one round of it from A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to again A in 40 seconds. So one round is in 40 seconds. So for half round, the time taken will be half round means from A to B, B to C. So for half round, the time will be half, 20 seconds. Right, beta? Okay. Now let's read the question further. What will be the magnitude of the displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds from his initial position? So we know initial position is A. So they are telling us that where the farmer will reach at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. And where he will reach at that position will be the final position. So we need to give the shortest distance between the initial position, that is A, and final position that we will find, right? So this is the question. Now let's start with the solution. So we will start with the time. So children, time given to us is 2 minutes 20 seconds. 2 minutes we will convert it into seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 2 minutes is 60 into 2. That is 120 plus 20. That is 140 seconds. So we need to find out where the farmer will reach at 140 seconds. Right? Let's start with it. So we know the farmer is going to cover half square or half round in 20 seconds and full round in 40 seconds. Then again half round, 40 के बाद 20 plus कर देंगे, 60 he will be here. वापस 20 plus कर दें, 80 he will be here. वापस 20 seconds plus कर दें, 100. 120 he will be here. 140 he is going to be here at point C. So C point is the final position and A point is the initial position. So we need to give the shortest distance between the initial position A and final position B. So AC, that is the diagonal of the square, is the shortest distance between the initial position A and final position C, as the farmer will be at point C at 140 seconds, after 140 seconds, right beta? So this is from the diagram. Let's see how you're going to do mathematically. See children, it's very easy. He is taking one round. See, number of rounds covered in 40 seconds. In 40 seconds, he is covering one round of the square field. Then in time, how much time is given to 140 seconds? So in 140 seconds, he will cover how many rounds? Simple cross multiplication. 140 into 1 upon 40. So if you divide, you will get 3.5 rounds. 3.5 rounds means 3.5 round. So let's see, 3.5 round means he will be where? So 3.5 round means he is starting from point A, B, C, D, A. One round. Again from A, B, C, D, A. Second round, A, B, C, D, A. Third round. Now half round more. So half round more means he will be from A to B, B to C. Yes, this is the final position of the farmer. And A is the initial position. So the shortest distance between the initial position A and final position C is AC. So we need to find AC. How we will find, children? We can apply Pythagoras theorem, which we have studied in maths for triangle ABC. For triangle A, B, and C. For triangle A, B, and C, angle B is 90 degree because it is a square. So AC is the hypotenuse side, right? So we know the Pythagoras theorem. BC is 10 meters and AB is also 10 meter. So Pythagoras theorem will be AC square equal to, it is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square equals to AB square plus BC square, right? AB square plus BC square, right? So this is your Pythagoras. Now AB value is 10, BC value is 10. That we can substitute here and we will find the value of AC. Let's see how. Let's go to the next slide. So children, applying the Pythagoras, we will get this. That is AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC will be equal to under root of AB square plus BC square. 10 square plus 10 square, because AB value is 10, BC value is 10. 10 square is 100, 100 plus 100 is 200. Can I write this equal to 2 into 100, right? This is nothing but root 2 into root 100. Now root 100 we know it is 10. Root 2 value, if you see it in the calculator, it is 1.414. So when you multiply 1.414 to 10, you will get 14.14 meter. So the displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds, that is 140 seconds, is 14.14 meter. So this is how you're going to calculate the displacement. Right, beta? Now let's go to the next question, and that is of an athlete. So children, an athlete, right, a sports person, he is completing one round of a circular track. Now you're not having square, this is a circle. Circle means circumference of the circle will be involved over here, that is 2 pi r, right? So athlete completes one round of the circular track of diameter 200 meter. So diameter is 200 meter, right? So if diameter is 200 meter, radius will be half of it, that is 100 meter. So this is 100 and this is 100 and total diameter is 200 meter, right? Now let's read the question further. One round in 40 seconds. One round कितने में complete कर रहा है? 40 seconds, right? Now, what will be the distance covered? आपको distance find करना है and displacement both at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. So 2 minutes 20 seconds seems to be their favorite time. So 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's see. 2 minutes and 20 seconds, 2 minutes 20 seconds, 2 minutes is 1 minute 60 seconds. So 2 minutes is 120 seconds. 120 plus 20, 140 seconds. So you need to find where the athlete will reach after 140 seconds. Right, after 140 seconds. So we know that one round the athlete is covering in 40 seconds. So in 40 seconds, number of rounds covered in 40 seconds, 1. So in 140 seconds, how many? Simple cross multiplication. 140 into 1 upon 40. So 140 into 1 upon 40 is 3.5 rounds. Means 3.5 round. So let's see where the athlete will reach when he is running 3.5 rounds. Suppose the athlete starts from point A to B and वापस A. One round. Then A to B and B to A. Second round. Then again A to B, B to A. Third round. Now half round more, 3.5. So A to B. This is the half round. So B is the final position of athlete and A is the initial position of the athlete at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. So what will be his displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance between the initial position and final position. Initial position is A, final position is B. So what is the shortest distance between AB? So it is the diameter AB, that is AO plus OB. So it is 100 plus 100, that is 200 meter. Let's go to the next slide and there we will see. Okay, here it is. So children, you can see the displacement is the shortest distance between the initial and final position. Initial is A, final is B. So AB. AB is nothing but the diameter of the circle, that is 100. Diameter is 200, that is radius 100 plus 100. So you can see that the displacement of the athlete at the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds is 200 meter, right? Now let's find his distance covered. How much distance he is covering? So children, when the athlete is running one round, how much distance will he cover? So he is running on a circular track. So the distance covered is the circumference. So when the athlete is covering one round, means he is running on the circumference of the circle. So one round, what is the distance covered? 2 pi r. R value, radius is 100. So it is 200 pi meter. We know the value of pi, 22 by 7. We can put it and we will calculate it. But we need to calculate the distance at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. Means we need to calculate the total distance covered by him. So here we are not putting the value of pi. You can just put it, no problem, right? Now we need to find out the distance covered by the athlete at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. So we know in 2 minutes 20 seconds the athlete is covering 3.5 round, 3.5 round. So in one round the distance covered by athlete is 200 pi. So in 3.5 rounds the distance covered by athlete is how much? Simple cross multiplication, 3.5 into 200 pi upon 1. So it is this. Now we will put the value of pi. Put the value of pi as 22 by 7 or 3.14 and your final answer will be 2200 meter. So the distance covered by the athlete is 2200 meter and his displacement is 200 meter, right? So this is your distance and displacement. I hope the numericals are clear to you, beta.